Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to explain few others type of matrix. So in last video of matrix, we saw how you can write a square matrix in terms of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So if you consider A is a square matrix, so you can write A as a P plus Q, where P is half of A plus transpose of A, which is symmetric matrix, and Q, which is half of A minus transpose of A, which is skew symmetric matrix. So we can write a square matrix A in terms of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going towards few other types of matrix. So the first will be triangular matrix. In this type of matrix, this is divided into two types. That is, first one is upper triangular matrix, and next one is lower triangular matrix. So these are the two subtype of triangular matrix. So in upper triangular matrix, the in the upper triangular matrix, the element below the diagonal will be 0. For example, suppose we take an example of 3 cross 3. So the entry will be 1 3 2 4 1 0 0 0 and 6. So here you can see this is the diagonal, that is, so our diagonal D will be 1 4 and 6, and this is the order 3 cross 3 order matrix. The order will be 3 cross 3, and this is the type of matrix you can say upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix, because the element below the diagonal is 0, that is this is 0 and this is 0. So the element below the all the element below the diagonal will be 0. So this type of matrix will call upper triangular matrix. Similarly, in case of lower triangular matrix, the example will be the element above the diagonal will be 0, which means all the element above the diagonal will be 0. So 0 2 0 0 4 1 0 5 6 7. So this is the order of 3 cross 3 matrix, and the diagonal is 2 1 7, and all the element above the diagonal, that is 0 0 0 and 0, are 0. So this is the lower triangular matrix. Now we are moving towards other definition, that is orthogonal matrix. So the next will be orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. So as you know, if A is a matrix, of entry Ij of order m cross n, and transpose of A will be defined as AT. So AT will be transpose matrix of A. So the orthogonal matrix will be defined as multiplication of A into transpose of A will give identity matrix. So the definition of orthogonal matrix will be the product of A and its transpose will give identity matrix. If a matrix satisfy this condition, then you can say the matrix will be orthogonal matrix, where determinant value of A will be the other sub case is if mod of A will be 1, then the matrix will be proper matrix. So in the case of proper matrix, the condition 1 and this is the condition 2 will satisfy, then we can say the matrix will be proper matrix. Now we are moving towards other type of matrix, which is conjugate of a matrix. How to find the conjugate of a matrix? Suppose a matrix A which is given A is equals to 1 plus I, next is 2 minus 3I, and next is 4, and other entries will be 7 plus 2I minus I and 3 minus 2I. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. This is row 1, this is row number 2, this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3. So the order, you can write number of row into number of column. So this is your order. Now as you know, I is equals to square root of minus 1. So the conjugate, simply, as you know the complex conjugate, as you know how to find the complex conjugate of a given number. Suppose Z is given as 1 plus I, so complex conjugate will be 1 minus I. So where I is replaced by minus I. Similarly, in this case, conjugate of A, that is A bar, will be written as, the first term will be 1 minus I. Each entry, you have to find out the each entry complex conjugate of each entry. So the next one will be 2 plus 3I. The last is real number, so you can write as it is 4. Next is 7 minus 2I. Next is plus I. Next is 3 plus 2I. This is of order 2 cross 3. So if you have to find the conjugate of a matrix, just you have to find the each element, you have to just convert them into its complex conjugate. So the conjugate matrix of A will be given by A bar. Now the next example is conjugate transpose of a matrix. The next is conjugate transpose of a matrix. So this is denoted by A to the power theta. So in this type of matrix, just you have to find in step 1 complex conjugate of each element, and in step 2 you have to just take the transpose of conjugate matrix which is obtained from step 1. So from here you will get conjugate matrix, and from this step 2 you will get a to the power theta, that is A theta matrix, which is known as conjugate transpose of a matrix. So from the example we can see how to find the conjugate transpose of a matrix. Suppose A is equals to 1 plus I, 2 minus 3I, and 4. B is equals to 7 plus 2I minus I, and 3 minus 2I. So the from the step 1 complex conjugate will be A bar, which is given by, just replace I by minus I, so this will be 1 minus I, this will be 2 plus 3I, this will be as it is 4 because this is a real number. Now this is 7 minus 2I, this is I, and this is 3 plus 2I. Now the transpose of above equation, that is 80, will be given by this row will convert into the column, that is if we take this row, just put into here in column. So this will be 1 minus I, this will be 2 plus 3I, this will be 4, this will be 7 minus 2I, this will be I, this will be 3 plus 2I. So this is the order of 2 cross 3. So here it will be 3 cross 2 matrix. So this is the conjugate transpose matrix and also known as A theta matrix. Conjugate transpose matrix. So this is the method you can find the conjugate transpose of a given matrix by applying first conjugate of a matrix, then transpose of a conjugate matrix. Next matrix is, that is next condition is unitary method, unitary matrix. Suppose A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix of order m cross m. So if A theta A will be identity matrix, then A will be called unitary matrix. So this is the condition for unitary matrix. The example will be, if you take A as A is equals to 1 plus I divided by 2 minus 1 plus I divided by 2. Next is 1 plus I divided by 2, and this is 1 minus I divided by 2. So this is the square matrix of order 2 cross 2. So A theta will be, that is conjugate of transpose matrix, which is given by 1 minus I by 2 minus 1 minus I by 2. Next is 1 minus I by 2 and 1 plus I by 2. So this is conjugate transpose matrix. So after multiplying A into A theta, which will give identity, that is 1 0 0 1. So A satisfy this condition, so A will be your unitary matrix. you can just multiply this equation 1 and equation 2 by the method of row into column of a theta into row of a, which will give the identity matrix, that is equation number 3. So from here you will get the condition of unitary matrix. Now Hermitian matrix. Other example is Hermitian matrix. So this is the other type of matrix example. Suppose A is a square matrix of order m cross m, where Aij is the entry. So if transpose conjugate of A will be A, that is A theta will be A, then matrix will be Hermitian matrix, just like symmetric matrix. So this will be Hermitian matrix. Or you can say, if A is the identity, the element of A will be Aij, so the element of conjugate of transpose of A will be complex conjugate of Aj. Okay. So this will be equal, that is Aij is equals to Aj complex conjugate of Aj, and the order will be m cross, sorry, this you cannot write order here because this is not a matrix, this is just an single element where we compare it with respect to left hand side and right hand side. So this will be the condition for Hermitian matrix. Now the example of Hermitian matrix will be A is equals to 1 2 plus 3i 3 plus I, next is 2 minus 3i 2 and 1 minus 2i, next is 3 minus I 1 plus 2i, and this is 5. So this is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. Its complex conjugate will be just its conjugate matrix will be just, you have to find out the complex conjugate of each entry. So the complex conjugate of 1 will be 1, complex conjugate of 2 plus 3i will be, here I you can replace by minus I, so 2 minus 3i, next is 3 plus I, so you can write here 3 minus I, because you have to find out the conjugate matrix. So this will be 2 plus 3i, because this is 2 minus 3i, next is 2, next is 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i, so this will be 1 plus 2i, this will be 3 plus I, this will be 1 minus 2i, and this will be 5. So this is the conjugate of A. Now conjugate of transpose of A, that is A theta, which is given by one, this is your row, so you write this row here, 1 2 minus 3i, here in this column 1 minus 3i, and this is 3 minus I, this is other row, and you can write in this column. So this, if this is your column, so you will write here 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3i, this will be 2 and this will be 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2i, and the next row will be this. Next row is this. So this will be right here in this column. This will be 3 plus I, 1 minus 2i, and this is 5. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So here you can see A and A conjugate, transpose of conjugate of A is same. So here you can write A theta is equals to A. So the A will be Hermitian matrix. Now one more thing, that if you are considering about the diagonal, so the condition for Hermitian matrix is that the diagonal element will be real. So one more condition is that diagonal element of Hermitian matrix will be real. How? Suppose A is equals to x plus I y. Suppose I will be x I plus I y. So its complex conjugate will be its complex conjugate will be x xi minus I yi. So by the definition of Hermitian matrix, AII is equals to its complex conjugate. So x plus xi plus iyi is equals to xi minus I yi. So this is equal, or you can cancel this and this. So yi plus iyi is equals to 0. This is 2 times I into yi is equals to 0. That is yi is equals to 0. So aii will be only xi. Here you can see the imaginary term will be 0. So the diagonal element will be real in case of Hermitian matrix.